Practice paper set 2, calculator paper. Formula page. Question 1. Point P is marked on the grid. Work out the equation of the line that passes through O and P. So we need the gradient, which is 6 along, 2 up. So 2/6 or 1/3. And a point, which is 0, 0. So it's y equals 1/3 x. Work out the distance OP, give your answer to two significant figures. Using Pythagoras, 6 squared plus 2 squared equals OP squared, which would be 40. So OP is the square root of 40 to two significant figures. From my calculator, that is 6.3. Question 2. Write as single powers of m. So this is m to the power of 2 times 5, so that's m to the power of 10. When you divide, you subtract the powers, so it's 12 minus -4, which is 16, so it's m to the power of 16. When you multiply, you add the powers, so it's 1/2 plus 3 over 2, which is 4 over 2, which is 2, so it's m squared. The square root of 1 over m to the power of 6. Okay, so that is the square root of 1 over the square root of m to the power of 6, which is m to the power of 6 over 2, which is 1 over m cubed. So we've got m to the power of -3. Question 3. The line 5x minus 2y equals 20 crosses the x-axis at the points A and B as shown. Work out the area of the triangle. So if I can work out that length there, and then it's a half x times y. So when x is 0, 5 times 0 minus 2y equals 20, y equals -10. When y is 0, 5x minus 2 times 0 equals 20, x equals 4. The area of the triangle therefore would be 1/2 of 10 times 4, which is equal to 20 units squared. Solve x minus 4 over 3 plus x over 5 equals 2. Okay, I'm going to multiply by 15 both sides to get rid of the fractions. So we get 15 divided by 3 is 5, x minus 4, plus 15 divided by 5 is 3x equals 2 times 15, which is 30. So we have got 5x minus 20 plus 3x equals 30. 8x equals 50. X equals 50 divided by 8, or 6.25. Okay, question 5. The function is defined as f of x equals x squared minus 4 from 0 to 3, and 14 minus 3x from 3 to 5. Work out the value of f of 1. so we'll be using the first function. So it will be 1 squared minus 4, which would be equal to negative 3. So f of 1 is equal to negative 3. Work out the value of f of 4, so now we're in the second one, so it is 14 minus 3 times 4, so f of 4 is equal to 2. F of x is equal to 0. Okay, so let's try the first one. X squared minus 4 equals 0, so that's x plus 2, x minus 2 equals 0, x equals 2 or negative 2. Negative 2 is less than 0, so x could be 2. X equals 2. And 14 minus 3x equals 0. X equals negative 14 over negative 3. And that is 4.6 recurring from my calculator. That's inside the range, so x could also be equal to 4.6 recurring. Work out the range of f of x, so that is the possible y values for f of x. Okay, so we need to know the minimum and the maximum values for this function. I believe that maximum value for 14 minus 3x will occur at the start, so 14 minus 3 times 3, which is equal to 5. 14 minus 3 times 5 is equal to negative 1. 0 squared minus 4 is equal to minus 4. And 3 squared minus 4 is equal to 5. Okay. So it would appear our function looks something like this. Minus 4, and it comes up and it goes down. So this is our minimum, and that is our maximum. So our range is f of x is less than or equal to 5 and greater than or equal to negative 4. Here is a sketch of 10 plus 3x minus x squared. Write down the solutions of 10 plus 3x minus x squared is equal to 0. Those are the solutions there. So we've got x equals negative 2 and x equals 5. Write down the equation of the line of symmetry. So we're talking about that line there, which will be in the middle. So 2, negative 2 plus 5 divided by 2, which is equal to 1.5. So it is on the line x equals 1.5. Write down the solutions for 10 plus 3x minus x squared is greater than 0. That will be when we're on that side of the curve. So x has got to be greater than negative 2. Why am I writing it this way around? and less than 5. And it's equal to, because it's equal to 0 as well. Okay. Question 7. The area of this triangle is 27 centimeters squared. Work out the size of the obtuse angle P. So half A, B, sin C is what we're going to be using. A half 18 times 10 sin P is equal to 27. Sin P is equal to 27 over 90, which is equal to 3/10. So 0.3 P equals sine inverse of 0.3. And from my calculator, P equals 17.46, and then because we want obtuse angle, it will be 180 minus 17.46, so that is 162.5 to 1 D